So, you're scrolling through Reddit, laughing at memes, and joining heated debates about pineapple on pizza. It's great, by the way. But what if I told you that Reddit isn't just for upvotes and hot takes? It's also a platform where you can make real money. That's right. Reddit, the front page of the internet, is also a secret treasure chest for hustlers, creators, and anyone with a clever strategy. With over 57 million daily active users and thousands of niche communities, called subreddits, Reddit offers endless opportunities to cash in. Today, I'm sharing 7 smart ways to make money on Reddit. And spoiler, this involves more than just spamming links, because Reddit will call you out for that. Let's dive in. 1. Sell your skills in niche subreddits. Reddit has a subreddit for everything. Are you a graphic designer? Check out a forhire. A writer? Visit our hire writers. Share your skills, post your portfolio, and land gigs directly from people looking for exactly what you offer. Humor hook. It's like Fiverr, but with way more honest feedback. Brace yourself for constructive criticism. 2. Use Reddit for affiliate marketing. Join communities where your expertise fits and subtly recommend products using affiliate links. For example, share your favorite gaming gear on EA's PC Master Race or hiking gear on EA's camping gear. But here's the key. Be helpful first. Nobody likes blatant self-promo. Pro tip. If you're too spammy, Reddit mods will swoop in faster than your mum when she finds out you didn't clean your room. 3. Flip products on r/flipping. Got an eye for deals? Check out subreddits like r/flipping, where members share tips on buying low and selling high. Whether it's sneakers, collectibles, or secondhand tech, you can use Reddit to find, learn, and profit. Fun tip. Your weekend thrift store finds could become someone else's dream purchase, and your next paycheck. 4. Promote your side hustle in relevant subreddits. If you already have a side hustle, like selling handmade items or running a blog, find subreddits where your niche fits. Share your work naturally, join the discussions, and watch as your traffic grows. Relatable angle. Reddit users can smell a fake a mile away. Be real, be authentic, and they might just make your hustle go viral. 5. Use Reddit ads for your business. Running a small business. Reddit's ad platform lets you target specific subreddits, so you're marketing directly to your ideal customers. It's like putting a billboard in front of the right crowd. Humor hook. And unlike that awkward Facebook ad your aunt sees, Reddit users actually care about niche ads. 6. Offer expertise in r/IAMA or other subreddits, got a cool story or skill. Host an AMA, Ask Me Anything, in r/IAMA or niche subreddits where your expertise shines. You can promote your work subtly while gaining credibility and followers. Example. Are you a freelance coder? An AMA could land you more clients than a LinkedIn post ever could. 7. Join Beermoney for microtasks, looking for small but consistent ways to earn. Subreddits like Beermoney and Work Online share tips on earning through online surveys, app testing, and other microtasks. It's not a fortune, but every dollar counts. Fun twist. Think of it as earning enough for that Friday night pizza, or at least a fancy coffee upgrade. Which Reddit money-making method are you ready to try? Share your thoughts or favorite subreddits in the comments. I'm always down to learn more tips. And hey, don't forget to upvote this idea by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. With Reddit's endless communities, there's a money-making opportunity for everyone. Yes, even if your talent is identifying the best cat memes. Let's turn your scrolling habit into cash flow.